In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Play balance into an Amazon gift card. Before we get into what you can and can't do, start by confirming you actually have funds available. Open the Google Play app, go to your profile, and look for your balance. If you see a number there, great, that's the amount you can spend within Google Play. Next, head into Payments and Subscriptions. This is where your balance is clearly displayed, along with options to manage subscriptions and budgets. You'll notice there's no option to move, transfer, or convert that balance into anything outside Google Play. While you're in the app, check payment methods as well. You can add or manage cards and other payment options, but again, there isn't a tool to turn Google Play credit into another gift card, including Amazon. These menus are designed for paying on Google Play, not for cashing out. You might also browse settings, sections like General, Network Preferences, Family, and About. None of these areas allow balance conversion. Even using help and support and searching for terms like convert or Amazon won't surface an official method because one doesn't exist. This brings us to the core limitation. Google Play balance is locked to Google Play. It's intended for apps, games, movies, subscriptions, and in-app purchases available through the Play Store. It's not a universal wallet. Equally important, Google Play balance cannot be used to buy gift cards for other services. That means you can't directly purchase an Amazon gift card with Play credit. If you come across third-party sites or workarounds promising a conversion, be cautious. Those offers are often misleading or risky and can violate terms of service. There is one optional path people ask about: refunds. You can try requesting a refund for a recent eligible Play purchase, but even if a refund is approved, the money is typically returned to the original payment method, not converted into new gift cards. There's no guarantee this helps you get Amazon credit. So set the right expectations. As of now, there's no direct way to convert Google Play balance into an Amazon gift card. Plan to use your existing balance within the Play Store instead. Make the most of it by applying your credit to the apps, games, subscriptions, or movies you were already considering. That way, your funds still provide value. This guide is here to prevent misinformation and save you time. If it helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Amazon tips and tutorials.